CS, we are recognized.
Riboti ya Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri yonanitie namba nene ya riboti cia ikuo gatagati ka andu aria magumirwo ni murimu wa mukingo irahanikira arume. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mubango wigie mutaratara uria ukuhuthika kunyihia ugwatania wa murimu uyu, Minister wa Ugima wa Mwiri Aden Duale augite andu 14,000 nio makoretwo makigwatwo ni murimu uyu oro mwaka, kuria gatagati kao ni ciana 3,000.
People living with HIV are living longer and increasingly require more integrated services that address non-communicable diseases, mental health condition, reproductive health needs, and other chronic illness.
Hari ciana iria iri na murimu uyu gicunje kia 24 hari 100 magwatagwo niguo riria maraciarwo, ministry igitariria ni marire mitaratara ya gutigirira atumia aritu na aria mari na murimu uyu ni maramukira mathomo maria mekumahotithia kurigiriria ciana itikagwatwo.
Chief guest, we have realized that we are leaving children behind. The mother-baby pair at the time of pregnancy, the time of delivery, and the time of postnatal care. We are having 24% of the new infections which occurred in the year 2025 being attributed to mother-to-child transmission, vertical transmission of the virus.
The Kenya is in the driving seat of making sure that people who are on treatment remain on treatment, people who are negative are tested and put on prevention measures, including the newly launched Lenacapavir.
Ona kuri uguo gikundi gia kuhurana na maruru ma murimu uyu kiugite ugwatania ni ucokete thina gikiro kia 30 hari 100 guku muingi ukiurio kwimenyerera kugwatwo ni virus cia murimu uyu.
We have managed to reduce the prevalence of HIV from 4.3% in 2020 to 3.22% in 2025. We
also have a lot of GBV cases that are being recorded, of course, in the county. But of course, we do not have a data system that is able to capture that data.
Ihinda-ini riu Duale augite thirikari iri mihango-ini ya gukinyaniria wandikani wa aruti a wira a UHC matanyiheire 7,700 aria makoretwo makiruta wira na kandarathi wira wa gutura.
April of 2026, because their contract was ending in May, we approached Parliament and asked for 1.4 billion for them to reach until the end of the financial year, June.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV Getwo Wambui wa Njuguna.
So, what